We knew St. Andrews would provide a safe environment for our children. Excellence at St. Andrews goes far beyond just academics. Students are encouraged to be well-rounded individuals, to give of their best efforts, always.
We have 2 kids that attend St. Andrews International School. Samaya Davis, he's an 8th grader now, and Zania Davis, she is in 2nd grade. We've been parents of St. Andrews students for 1 year for the 8th grader and the 1st semester for the 2nd grader.
We have been here at school for 15 months now, and we have kids in grade 9, 6, and 3.
And we've been parents at St. Andrews for 2 years now. Matthias is in pre-K 2.
So my son joined the school in grade 8 right after COVID, and we've been with the school for almost 3 years now.
And this already is my 5th year as a parent at St. Andrews. Our daughter Kalila is in grade 11, and Jack graduated the IB program in grade 12 this past June, and my husband and I are both alumni of St. Andrews.
We came from a very large school in Dubai with almost 3,000 students. We were looking for something that was much smaller, something that has good student to teacher ratio, something that's familiar, where teacher knows your kid's name, you're not just a number, something that has a very beautiful campus. So we looked at all of those aspects and came to the conclusion that St. Andrews was the best for us.
We chose St. Andrews because we wanted a school with small class sizes so that he can get individual attention.
I wanted my kids to be a part of something that was very diverse, international, but yet local.
International, but also Bahamian. And moving here, we wanted the Bahamian experience. So not going to an international school with all international, but we're happy that the majority here is actually Bahamian.
There's also the sense of community. We joined St. Andrews later on, but we do feel that we are a part of the St. Andrews family. There's certainly a pride in that feeling. And much more so as members of Arawak House.
As an expatriate, it's not easy to fit in right away. So this school has this fantastic community of parents and alumni who kind of welcome you as one of their own once you're in St. Andrews.
Everybody knows you, and you're driving up to pick up your kids. Immediately they know whose your child is, and the kids comes. I mean, so that closeness, the familiarity and community aspect of St. Andrews is what we like.
For us, IGCSE and IB that St. Andrews offers as an academic program was very important. We know that this is a standard that is accepted worldwide. Especially IB is considered the gold standard in terms of acceptability into universities, and that's the diploma that is recognized worldwide.
The IB program was a big seller for me. The fact that the kids were getting a globally oriented education that was internationally recognized, and the fact that it made them excellent college candidates to be ready for any university of their choice.
St. Andrews obviously has had a very significant role in Jack's success beyond high school. The IB program clearly provided him a chance to discover how he best learns, how he most effectively studies and completes his assignments. And this is very important. Given that he is now at a NCAA Division I university, he has to manage his time. He has to be prepared every single day. And he is doing this in large part because of what he learned at St. Andrews and the IB profile.
It's been a wonderful experience. When we spoke with other parents and they told us, you know, the kids are excited to come to school every day, it's like, really? Maybe we'll give it a try, but it is true.
Yeah.
Our son wakes up excited to come to school every day. He wants to come to school on the weekends.
Yeah. He's very creative, so we love that here St. Andrews nurtures the creative side of him. He loves to paint, he loves to draw, and he loves to sing and dance. So he usually gets his teachers to dance along with him, and like dance class, dance club. So he loves those things.
One of the things that I have to thank this school for, this is something that we as parents did not know at all, was his talent in drama. But in school, I discovered, to my utter surprise, and I was so proud of it, when I saw him on stage performing so well, the whole crowd laughing. This is a talent, honestly, I say, I never knew my son had.
For me, it was the balance of academics and extracurricular activities, the sports, the clubs that they can attend after school and even during lunchtime. I mean, it made it very easy for them to get that extracurricular activity in.
It's a huge variety to choose from as a parent, and my kids love sports, culture, and art. So yeah, they take advantage of a lot of that.
Community service, the school partners with a lot of different service-oriented clubs, and they provide services to the communities. They also have cast hours that the kids have to do community service and perform these duties outside of the school.
And so whether they're learning about other cultures and ideologies, of the importance of community and the need to give back, to participating and being involved, to being accountable, and to that giving of one's best effort every day, there is the realization that that is not just for the benefit of self, but that it goes beyond oneself.
The teachers in St. Andrews are from international backgrounds. So they already come with the experience of knowing what is expected for students at those levels. So that is something that I have seen very positively impacting my child. And I have seen that he is encouraged to rise up in terms of standards.
Ability for us to, at any time, contact the teachers and find out how the kids are doing, that they're accessible. You can come to the school at any time and then just find out where they are, what they're doing. And
it's a good school, good standards, academic standards. You get lots of support. You get early warnings very early, and if there's a problem, you always get support from the teachers. So,
and this program that they actually use here, I'm not a pro at it. My wife is. ManageBack. It updates us on everything, and there's no asking if you have homework. It's asking if the homework
is on time,
is done,
right?
So
we're able to track everything that is being done,
right?
So there's an accountability that we love.
Right.
Our older children said that coming from a very large school and then to St. Andrews, they also felt that also cultural. The other school, being in Dubai, was very authoritarian. Here they feel that they have a mutual respect between them and teachers, so that they are heard, they can have a dialogue with them, and it's a mutual good relationship.
And so coming in, we were like, ooh, we wondered if they would fit in, but the transition was so smooth for them. Zany has only been here for a semester, and you would know that she is new to the school because it's hard to find her sometimes when you come to pick up. She's in the middle of the group and they're playing on the ground, and so it's really been a very, very good ride for us.
He is being taught how to think. So he is already making inquiries. We already see that he is developing his critical thinking skills, and he is now starting to solve problems. It is wonderful to just watch him develop.
So for us, it was very important that he goes into a school that has high academic standards, which has the best facilities, and St. Andrews has met whatever expectations we had in these terms.
And the kids have loved it ever since. I think my kids has been to probably 6 or 7 schools over the past 7-8 years, and this is by far their best experience so far. Yeah.
And then the birthday parties, man. I mean, every
Yes.
weekend someone has a birthday party, and
The kids.
we've only been here for a couple months, and they're already
close.
attending every birthday party. So it's really exciting, and they always have something to do, you know.
In pursuing excellence, I believe that the opportunity is given to all students at St. Andrews.
I love the fact that the program makes it easy for them to excel.